Hello everyone, welcome to Data Empires. Friends, in the previous session, we discussed the system and software compatibility of the MRT tool, and the installation of MRT hardware. In this training session, we will discuss the installation, registration, and the activation process of the MRT tool. As we know that, MRT Ultra tool supports 32-bit and 64-bit operating systems. But as we experienced, Windows 7 Service Pack 1, 64-bit operating system is the best operating system for MRT Ultra. So first we have to install the operating system in the computer system, and then connect the MRT tool to the PCIe 2.0 sockets. Let us check the system configuration first. For this, first right-click on My Computer, and then click on the Properties. Here it is visible that Windows 7 Ultimate is the operating system for the current system, and this is Service Pack 1. i7 3rd generation CPU is used in this, and it is of 3.4 GHz.